Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, May 26th, and in this video I wanted to quickly summarize some of the results of Learning Module 1 and draw your attention to a couple of things coming up in Module 2. Now, of course, we have a separate video introducing Module 2, but in this video I wanted to kind of bring up some of the more important stuff about it as well. So as you can see, I'm working from home today, in part because of the construction of the new Colburn Hall on campus, which is right outside of my office window. And that work makes being in the office kind of difficult right now because it's loud with the beeping of the machinery, and also they're dumping a bunch of dirt on the construction site. So my office was literally shaking yesterday, so I thought I'd work from home today. So to summarize the first module, I think we as a group did very well overall. I've enjoyed reading your posts and learning about what you learned from the readings and from the conversations with each other, and I'd like you to continue responding to each other's posts in the same way as you have been so far. Where I saw things a little bit lacking from some of you in some posts, I made sure I pointed that out to you in my comments on SpeedGrader. And so I'd like to invite you to ask me questions about my comments and to continue staying engaged with the readings and with each other and with me in the course. So here's what I think, reading the synthesis posts yesterday and this morning. I think there are a couple of takeaways. One is, of course, rhetoric is very important for proposal writing. A lot of you pointed that out in your post, and I appreciate that. I appreciate that understanding. And the second takeaway that a lot of you pointed out, which I think is also very important, is that proposal writing is a first and foremost problem-solving activity. In fact, think about it this way, that writing and persuasion and professional writing in particular are problem-solving activities. They are mediating problems, they are mediating questions, they are designed to help us resolve issues and problems and difficulties that we have in life. And so think about it this way, that it's not just an exercise in filling up space on paper or on the computer, but it's actually a very useful problem-solving tool. So that's how I'd like us to continue thinking about writing and proposal writing in particular. Now, you have begun thinking about your teams and your clients, and in the second module we will take that task a little bit more head-on and a little bit more intensely and actively, and we'll walk through some specific steps on teamwork, on forming teams, on dividing up responsibilities, on looking for clients, and so on. But I was very encouraged by how many of you have displayed initiative and interest in already forming the teams and thinking about your clients in Module 1. So that's very good. Keep it up. I wanted to also invite you to ask me questions or make comments on the discussion boards or in private in emails if something is not working out for you. Unfortunately, very often I don't know about something that's not working out for a student until after the course. And if you wait until after the course, you can then tell me what didn't work out for you, but it would be too late for me, obviously, to improve things. So if something's not working for you, if you have a question or a concern or a comment, please let me know so we can think about how to fix it, how to improve things. So just to I really mean it. Ask me questions, tell me your impressions, suggest ways to improve things. I'm always listening to those, and I'm willing to make changes when they're appropriate. Okay, so Module 2 is starting next week after Memorial Day. And obviously you would need to go to the introductory page of that module and watch the video and read what I've written there before beginning the first assignment of that module. So keep talking to one another on the discussion boards. I'm really liking the conversations we're having so far. I think we're really doing well establishing that sense of social presence and establishing the sense of everybody being in the course, in the community, and not just simply posting things and interacting with the computer. We're actually interacting with one another. That's it for this video. Again, have a great Memorial Day weekend. I hope you have a good 3-day break, and I will talk to you next week. Bye-bye.